Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is a Hazel, and today we are diving into how to recover your deleted videos on Android without rooting your phone. Without any delay, let's get started. First of all, go to the Photos gallery and then scroll down, and there you'll find a recycle bin or deleted items. So tap on it, and here you can tap on this video and you can see this icon. If you'll tap on it, the video will be restored. If you want to restore multiple videos, simply go there, select multiple, and tap here at the bottom, that is restore, and your video will be restored. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next one.